You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation from Genshin Impact if you want to learn more. Character names from the game, all of them. Stay tuned at the end of the video, link to all of the most confusing ones. Ororon. Ororon. If you cannot trail the R in English, the pronunciation would be as Ororon. Ororon. Stress on the first syllable. Ororon or Ororon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.